Let's make magnetic bookmarks out of fabric scraps. Look at that. Ping. It's great, isn't it? You've always got your place covered, sorted. Now you can do just plain ones like that. Or let's do one with a little pretty tassel. So you're going to start with your scrap. And we're going to fold it back and press. Open it out. If you want to add a tassel, then do. Pop a couple of little knots in at the end. Easier said than done. And leave the knot this end. Centre that there. Because now we're going to fold that down in half there. Give that a little press. Now we're going to stitch down both sides. Come with me over here. Snip away any excess from the corners. Don't snip off that knot. And now we're going to turn through and then open up and turn through again. And just keep turning, keep turning, keep turning until you've got absolutely no raw edges showing, and those raw edges just sit in the middle there. Like that, and then bring it back over here and give it a little press. Get your pen and mark 1/2 inch from either end. And we're going to sew on those marks. And then what you've done is create 2 little pockets there and there. So just grab your magnets and pop one in there. Just slot it in to there and shimmy it down. And then your other magnet can go on the other side. And again, shimmy it down, and then you want to just top stitch that closed. And these are small enough. I've made sure that I've gone for really, really, really tiny ones. Move the magnet across. And top stitch down the other side. Trim away any excess threads. And there you have it, your magnetic bookmark. Good to go. A few more snips needed, but we'll tidy that up, and away we go. There you go. Perfect way to use up all your little scraps.